Hey guys, it's Martijn from Design Sketching on Facebook and Instagram. Welcome to my course Design Sketching 1. In this course, you'll find a series of step-by-step video tutorials on various topics. For each topic, you will also receive an assignment for you to practice and build confidence in your sketching skill. First, I'll send you out on a field trip to open your eyes and make you understand how perspective actually works. Then we'll take a closer look at drawing linear products like laptops and printers, followed by cylindrical products like flashlights. Finally, you'll learn how to combine both linear and cylindrical shapes in products like cameras and radios. Best of all, if you enroll to the Get Feedback plan, I will review your work and annotate it directly with my feedback. This way, you'll know exactly where to adjust and how to improve. You'll not be alone. Inside the course, you'll be surrounded by peers working on the same assignments. And because everyone uploads their work directly to the course on SketchDrive, we can all learn from each other. Are you ready? Let's start sketching.